Welcome back, my friends. John from Live Wild channel. Got a little project going on this morning. I'm replacing this composite mag release in my AR9. This takes Glock mags. I looked on ODIN Works and they had something that looks familiar. I emailed ODIN Works to ask him, would this work, and he didn't know right offhand. So I ended up sending him a picture. We went back and forth, and he told me which one to get him. And I am going to install the XGMR 1. This is for the New Frontier style lowers. And it fits quarter circle 10s, and it works with K&S pins. And that's what I have on here is K&S pins. 6061 billet aluminum. I went with red to match my safety. And I will be buying more products from ODIN Works because of the customer service. They got back to me right away. I just picked up another for a different build I got going on. Alright, let's install this and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's a close-up look at it. Made out of billet aluminum, anodized in red to match my safety. Here's the old one. Composite plastic of some sort. I figured, I'm going to toughen this gun up. So I'm looking at maybe doing steel challenge with a carbine this year. Alright, let's put it in. Alright, looking at the package, this works for the Brownell's critical capabilities lower. I picked up at Brownell's, and the New Frontier style for the XGMR 1. XGMR 2, that's my mistake, is a quarter circle 10 style lowers. So put a Glock 17 mag in there, drops free. I'm going to be making more additions to this AR9 as I go, and hopefully do some competition shooting with this.